Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI. This 8-pack of screen printing squeegee tools has taken my screen printing to the next level. And the reason is because it has so many different sizes. When I'm trying to use different colors on a screen print, I need to be able to be very precise with the colors so they don't bleed together. And I love that it has a larger one so I can do a nice big area, and then a slightly smaller one so I can do a medium-sized area, and then of course the pencil-like tool that has the smallest tip, and that is perfect for lines or very detailed small areas. So it is so versatile. It is giving me the control that I need when I'm doing my projects. And they're also very easy to wipe down after I've used them. I am loving the results I get when I'm using this set of 8 screen printing squeegee tools. And I've enjoyed using them thoroughly. And that's my point of view.